Welcome to a Vipassana guided meditation for focus on declutter the mind. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position, keeping your back straight but comfortable, resting your hands in your lap, taking a deep breath here in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and then exhaling slowly through the mouth, releasing any tension from your day. And allow your breath to return to a comfortable pace, a comfortable rhythm, and bring your attention to the natural breath. There's nothing we need to control or change in our breathing in this moment. We're simply observing it as it is. Noticing the sensation of air entering your nostrils on the inhale and the feeling of air leaving your nostrils on the exhale. And this is your anchor, your breath. And so in Vipassana, we use this anchor not as a way to block out distractions, but as a reference point to return to when we notice our mind has wandered. And so for the next few moments, simply rest your attention on the breath. And then when you notice your mind has moved away, and it will, this isn't failure. It's actually a moment of awareness, which is exactly what we're trying to cultivate to improve our focus in the moment. And each time you notice your mind has wandered, make a gentle mental note of where it went. You might silently say thinking if you got caught up in thoughts, or hearing if you were drawn to sounds, or feeling if physical sensations pulled your attention away. And don't judge these distractions or try to push them away. We simply acknowledge them with clarity and kindness in this moment, and then return our attention to the breath. This process of noticing, noting, and returning is strengthening your focus like a muscle. And when you notice your mind has wandered to maybe planning or remembering or analyzing, we simply note thinking and then return to the breath. And remembering here that each return to your anchor is a moment of focused awareness. Again, you're not trying to stop thoughts or eliminate distractions, you're seeing them clearly without being controlled by them. And continuing here to observe the breath, noticing whenever our attention moves away, gently noting what captured it, and then returning to your anchor. And now bring your attention back to your body, back to the points of contact your body is making with the floor or the chair. And then when you are ready, open your eyes and notice how you feel. Thanks for sitting, and I'll see you next time. Thanks again for taking the time to practice. If you've enjoyed this practice, please be sure to like and subscribe. You can also join and become a member and receive access to courses and more. Head on over to declutterthemind.com for more and download our free iOS and Android app.